You have a massive exam tomorrow, or a business plan that needs to start today. But instead of doing it, you suddenly decide to clean your desk, organize your folders, create a beautifully detailed schedule for the next month. You feel busy. You feel productive. But here's the cold truth. You are not working. You are running away. This is called productive procrastination, the mental trap where your brain tricks you into doing low-priority tasks just to avoid the one hard thing that actually matters. Here is the neuroscience behind it. When you face a high-stakes, difficult task, your amygdala, the emotional brain, registers it as a threat of failure, of stress, of boredom. It triggers a mini fight or flight response. Your brain needs an escape. But since you are someone who hates being lazy, your brain finds an escape that feels like work. You clean the desk. You reorganize the files. You build a new schedule. And your brain releases dopamine, a fake sense of duty, a false signal of progress. This is the most dangerous type of procrastination because it removes your guilt. If you spend 3 hours watching videos instead of working, you feel guilty. You correct yourself. But if you spend 3 hours building a Notion dashboard or color-coding your goals, your brain tells you that you worked hard today. The real task is still untouched, but the guilt is gone. And without guilt, there's no pressure to fix it. So here's what high performers do instead. They use task triaging. Think of a hospital emergency room. A doctor never treats a minor scratch when someone is bleeding seriously. But productive procrastinators do exactly that. They fix the small scratches of life while their main goals bleed to death. The solution is simple. Not easy, but simple. Every single day, before you touch anything else, identify the one task you are most avoiding, the one that feels heaviest, the one you keep postponing. Do that first, not after the emails, not after the desk is clean, not after the schedule is perfect. First, because real progress is not about being busy. It is about being effective. And the most effective thing you can do right now is stop organizing your escape routes and start moving toward the thing you are afraid of. Toss the list. Put the phone down. Start the hard thing. Type action in the comments if you are done lying to yourself